Hey guys, I'm Gio from Views from the Kitchen. Today we have a special guest, my dear friend Clari from Alternate Delight.
Hi guys, I'm Clari from Alternate Delight. I make healthy recipes on my Instagram. So today we're going to be doing a healthy version of a blondie. Okay, so for the chocolate chips, we're using Lily's dark chocolate chips, which are vegan and sugar-free. As our sweetener, we're going to be using monk fruit sweetener and xylitol, which is this one. You can buy both at Whole Foods. And then for our flour, we're using coconut flour. Here we have 2 lightly beaten eggs. And then here we have creamy peanut butter. And then you're also going to need a little bit of vanilla extract and some baking powder, and that's it.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by mixing in our eggs, our peanut butter, and vanilla extract.
Now we're gonna add in all the dry ingredients.
And the last thing is adding the chocolate chips and mixing them in.
They taste good.
Yeah, don't worry, we got this.
So now that all of our ingredients are mixed, we've been preheating the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna transfer this onto a pan. And then we're gonna leave it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes, but make sure to keep an eye on it.
All right, in the oven it goes.
Hey guys, so it's been 20 minutes and we just took them out of the oven, and now we're gonna cut them up and try them out.
Alright guys, so now it's time to test it out.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the taste test. So are you ready? Gio's scared. I'm so scared.
They're good.
They're good.
Yeah.
They're really
Guilt-free.
good. They taste like peanut butter brownies.
Mm-hmm.
Peanut butter blondies. Thank you guys for watching.
Loved having you, Clari.
Thank you for having me, and I hope you guys enjoy them. So nervous. I think I need a shot of vodka, please. Are you sure?
Yeah.
And then 2 beat eggs. And then 2 beaten eggs. But make sure to keep an eye on it, since every oven is different, and every oven is not different. 350 degrees is 350 degrees, I think.